friend, welcome. This is Melody from Melody Crochet, and today we're going to be doing a decrease single crochet or single crochet two together. Same idea. Basically what's going to happen is, see these little loops that mean that there's a stitch underneath them? We're going to condense two into one. So chain one and turn. I just have a little row of single crochets here, and I'm going to start off with one. Now, no yarn over because this is single crochet. Right under the V of the stitch, yarn over, drop a loop, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, drop a loop, 3 strands on your hook. You can see them coming out of 2 different stitches. Yarn over, pull through everything you have there. Let's do another one together, even though you would probably never do that in an actual pattern. It will pucker like crazy, but as it were, you have turned 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Right now it still looks bulky, but in a row or 2 it will never be thought of again. It will just be gone. Now insert, yarn over, drop a loop, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, drop a loop, yarn over, pull under everything on your hook, and that is a single crochet decrease, decrease single crochet, or a single crochet 2 tog together. Thanks for stopping in. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. If you'd like to see any other basic stitches, I would love to share them with you. Please like and subscribe and take very good care. Bye guys.